Hello friends, today we are talk about how three guys changed the internet forever. In 2005, three young guys sitting in a small cluttered office. They used to work together at paper, but now they had any idea that was about to change everything. They looked each other and thought, what if there was a way to easily share video online? What if everyone could upload their life, their idea, their art for the world to see? It wasn't just random thought. It was seed that grew into YouTube. And the three guys behind this revolutionary idea, Charles Hubley, Steve Chen and Javed Karim. But we can be sure of one thing. They were about to change the world. Here the first jaw-dropping moment of YouTube journey. The first ever video. It was 18 seconds long. It was Javed Karim standing in front of elephant at the zoo. It was raw, it was simple and it was real. But somehow this small, perfect video would spark the beginning of revolution. And just like that, YouTube wasn't just place for uploading videos. It was place for creativity, expression and freedom. But do you think anyone saw this 18-second clip as the future of entertainment? Probably not. But sometimes the smallest thing become the biggest. Now, here is the plot twist. It was smooth sailing at all. Imagine this. You have got millions users but can't handle the traffic. So, every time someone dares to upload their video, the site crash. Frustrating, right? But that was only the beginning. YouTube was growing so fast that it was starting to attack legal troubles. And I am talking about big trouble. Copyright issues. Copyright issues started popularing in Hollywood. Networks and artists did want their content uploaded without permission. Could YouTube survive this storm, or would it be shut down before it ever got big? But there was something YouTube had that no one else had. The will to fight. The terms wasn't ready to give up just yet. Do you think YouTube wouldn't survive without Google's help? We are about to find out. Just when things seemed like they were about to collapse, something incredible happened. In 2006, Google stepped in and bought YouTube for $1.65 billion. Yes, you heard that right, $1 billion. Everyone thought Google was out of their mind. And $1 billion for a website that was still struggling to make money. But Google saw something others didn't. They saw the future of digital content. They saw the world Stephen Covey video. And as the turnout, Google's big bet would change the entire internet landscape. YouTube wasn't just video sharing platform anymore. It was about become to use of online entertainment. How would massive installation impact not for just YouTube but the entire world of content creation?